Alright, what you're looking at here is the realistic police siren kit in a box, modified, Ramsey kit. Red button turns it on, makes the police siren wail, and you can... Batteries on the outside, like I've been doing with my latest kits here. Simple operation there, real nice and loud. Surprisingly loud. Now, because I made this big hole in the center real big here, and you can kind of stick your finger in there and you can see the speaker in there, I'm going to get some of that stuff that goes over regular big speakers and glue it in on the bottom of that there, so it'll kind of protect that speaker there from debris and things and dust and whatnot. But that's it. That's the police siren. Really simple operation on this one. One button operation. That's it.